Hello, 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 Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Oops, sorry about that. And today, I'm here to show off my guest design team project for Cara Brandon, who is Cara Brandon Creates here on YouTube. And I used her rainbow kit for this altered book. Okay, here's the cover. I did one of the girls here with the green background, and I put some mesh bling and some flat back pearls with a twine flower and a bling in the center. And over here, we have the bird on the cover page here. And then on this page, I used the blue floral with the script here. Sorry I'm upside down, but that's the only thing I can do. Okay, so instead of putting a tag or a journaling card in this belly band, I decided to put a pocket that you can put a tag or a journaling card or whatever. And in here, I have one of the green printables from the rainbow kit with my journaling card and my belly band with flat back pearls on it. Here I have a little pocket with just a piece of cardstock in it, and I have some crochet trim on the side here. On the back, I have a pocket with a little three-dimensional flower and some bling all over, and we have a tag with a pocket with another little tiny journaling card, and you can journal on the back of the tag using a white metallic pen. And over here, we have a tucky spot with some crochet trim and some mesh bling with a tag with the same crochet trim here and some flat back pearls and a little bitty bling at the top. And on the side here, we have crocheted ribbon. Here, I have a side pocket with a journaling card and some bling. And over here, we have a pocket with a tucky spot. You can journal on back of this, and you can journal on back of the tag. Okay. And here I have a double tucky spot. We have a tucky spot here. You can journal on the back of this with a regular pen. And on this one, you can do it with a white gel pen. Okay. Or a white color pencil. Here we have just the printable from the kit. I glued 2 pages together here. And in here we have a pocket with some mesh bling, crochet trim, and our journaling card. Okay. Now this is my first time ever doing an altered book, y'all. And then we got a blank page here. So, you know, you can do whatever you want there. We have another belly band with mesh bling with another pocket from her kit. And I will probably put something in the pockets, and we have some crochet trim here. So I don't know what I'm going to do in the pockets just yet. We'll see. And then we have another side pocket with a journaling card. Okay, we have a pocket here. And then we have a double side pocket here with the journaling cards in it. Now, I didn't decorate everything because you'll see why. We have a triple pocket here with some bling. We have a tag here. We have a tag over here. And we have a tag here. And you can journal on the back of all 3 tags. Okay. And here we have another side pocket with a tag and some Chinese braid here. Here we have another double pocket with your journaling card and a tag. And then we have a little tucky spot here with a tiny little journaling card. Okay. And here we have a flip out. You can journal all over the back. And you can put a pocket or something on the front. And these two pages are glued together. We have a belly band with magnets and a waterfall. Okay. And here we have some ruffled trim. And here's two more pages that I put some cardstock on the back here to kind of sturdy the page up. So this is two glued pages glued together. And then we have a side waterfall here. Okay, with some crochet trim. And here's one of Cara's little file folders that I put a magnet on, and I can make it a tiny little journal if I want. I can add pockets here or whatever. I'm going to cover the magnets though. And then we have crochet trim here. Over here we have a tuck spot here, and we have a side pocket over here with a journaling card. Okay, and then white crochet trim here. And then here we have another little envelope with a journaling card inside and a belly band with crochet trim along the side. Here I have a little envelope I made using part of the kit, and then I punched these out of cardstock with a gold brad and my twine to make it one of those little envelopes that, you know, like they do the inner office envelope. And all the rest of the pages are not decorated, but they are glued together. And here's a pouch, a pocket I put in the back to put all the extra stuff in. Now, here's why I didn't do too much on the last pages. It is chunky, and this is my first ever altered book, and I was happy to do it as a guest design for Cara. So that is it for this, and I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, and most of all, stay positive. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.